Hello everyone, Ruben here from PAS Professional Amazon Services. In this video I want to show you how to find a new keywords to target a quick and easy method by just the use of Helium 10 and spending no more than 5 minutes. So for that obviously you need a product here. We have one of our partner products. It's a outdoor football tailgate game, and I think one of the keys for this method to be effective, you do actually need to work on a product and know as much as possible about it, because finding the right keywords will be directly related to how keyword is relevant to your product, because Helium 10 is not going to show you the relevancy. So once you identify the product, first thing obviously you want to copy the ASIN, then you go to the Helium 10 tool to Cerebro. You type the keyword there, get your keywords, and I'm going to load from the history. From there on, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the search volume trend, and I'm going to filter it from the top to bottom. So what I want to do is I want to see what are the keywords that the product is been ranking or has a keyword distribution or indexed, but is not ranked well enough. And as long as it's relevant to the product, then you have it. So if we start here as an example, we have one of the highest one, 1800% increase on a water baseball game. This is not really related to our product, so we're going to skip that. And then moving on to the next, backyard family games. We have a 286 search volume, 1000% increase, and we're not ranking whatsoever. So here's one keyword. I think it's very relevant to the product, and it is going to go into our new PPC campaign. And moving on to the backyard games for adults. This is another keyword that we like to get sales for, and it's generating about 23 sales per keyword at 398 volume with almost 1000% increase. And we are not a sponsored rank, and we're having only 260 organic ranking. So going through this list, identifying these keywords and creating separate campaigns to rank and measure, this is a great way to find new keywords to target to boost your sales. And do not focus on the search volumes as much, because the lower search volumes are more directed, which I like a lot, and can cost you lower than the larger volume keyword. So if you knew this, if you've been using this, I would really like to hear your feedback on it. If not, let me know if you liked it or if you're going to use it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.